Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something incredibly simple but wonderfully delicious. I'm going to show you how to make loaded potato skins. Before we start, a shout out to my new Patreon fan, Frederick, thank you. And also a shout out to Matthew Harding, who wanted one. There you go. Right. Loaded potato skins. When I was a kid, we had baked potatoes, and sometimes they'd be cut open and have fillings inside. You know, cheese, beans, butter, salt, and things like that. Simple things. We never stumbled across the idea of actually scooping out the inside and mixing it with the filling as well. Anyway, pure comfort food, probably not good for you, don't care. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you get notifications. And let's get on with it. Right, first job is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for a fan oven. That's 200 for a conventional one, gas mark 6. And then just prep your spuds, get rid of any little imperfections and chits. So you can do big spuds or smaller ones if you like, but basically you want them all to be the same size so they'll cook in more or less the same time. And stab them all over with a fork, and that allows some of the heat to penetrate and cook the inside faster. I'm just going to coat them in EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and this will make the skin go a bit crispy, like a big roast potato. And we'll pop those in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, for my filling stroke topping, I've got some mature cheddar, which needs to be grated. I've got 2 rashers of smoked bacon. I've got a big lump of butter. I've got a spring onion, or scallion, and a dollop of soured cream. Now you need to pre-cook your bacon, and what I like to do is give it a couple of minutes in the microwave. So just place it on some kitchen paper and cover it. I've got a bit of oil in a frying pan on medium heat, and I'll just pop the bacon in briefly to get it browned and crisped up on each side. And the reason I do it in the microwave first is it gets rid of all the moisture, and that gets soaked up by the paper towel. Okay, here's my lovely crispy bacon. So I'm going to chop half of it into quite tiny pieces, which will mix in with the taste test. Bacon. That will mix in with the filling, and the rest into larger pieces that will go on the top. Now I've grated the cheese, and I'm just going to chop this spring onion into slices. And we'll use the green bits to sprinkle on top, and the white bits to mash in with the potato. Okay, the spuds have had their hour. So let's get them out, and hopefully they'll be done. So just get a skewer and stick it in the middle. And if you feel any resistance, then it's not done. If you don't, it is. So they are done. Now we need to let them cool down a little bit until we can handle them. Okay, let's cut one in half. Still a bit hot, and I'm going to let that cool down some more. And scoop out the middle of the potato, but try and leave a few millimetres of potato attached to the skin, because that will help it keep its shape. So now we need to mash the potato with the good stuff. So I've got half the cheese, the white bits of spring onion, and the very finely cut bacon, and a pinch of salt, the butter, a couple of teaspoons of sour cream. I'll just mash it. I've got a theory that this was invented because the very best way to make mashed potato is to use the innards of a baked potato, which leaves you with lots of skins, and what to do with those. Just an idea. Load them with goodies. Okay, that's looking good. I could just eat that, but I'm not allowed to. Now we pop that back into the skins. Now I'll just pop some of the remaining bacon on top and the rest of the cheese. And now you just want to put this under the grill or broiler to melt the cheese and make it all lovely and delicious. Oh yeah. Nom. Okay, and to finish them off, a dollop of sour cream on each one, and some spring onions. Oh yeah. And now it's taste test time with Mrs. KeefCooks.
Hello, darling.
Hello, Peckle. You alright?
Yeah, just got in. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, is this potato skins? Somebody asked for that, didn't they?
No, I didn't.
Didn't they?
No, I just fancied doing it. I don't always do what people want.
But you asked me what they were. I assumed that was because somebody had asked. Was it? Fancy doing it, and then I must find out what they are before I go any further.
Well, no, I was... Because you used to work in that American restaurant many moons ago.
Chicago Italian.
And,
That's what that was. And still is. Yeah.
Not going to plug it.
No, I'm not.
Unless they pay.
But the present manager was born when I worked there. I remember that.
God, we're old.
Do you know what? I haven't even got to the centre and the... I can see bacon and... Is that sour cream? But the tatey is just wonderful.
There you go. Posh tatty. What do you think?
Ideal for watching the semi-final of the World Cup.
Yay!
Okay.
The proper one.
Be interesting to see.
The one we might win.
Yeah. So, this is the British Lions. No, it's the English Lions, isn't it? Because it's all separate.
Oh, the Lionesses.
Yes. So the English Lionesses against the United States. Oh, yeah. Because we watched which one did we watch? The US versus Sweden.
We're doing a football channel now.
No, I've forgotten her first name.
Megan
Rapinoe, yes.
I like that.
Oh, beautiful goal. However, Lionesses, yeah.
Like that as well. All right.
Oh yeah, that's really... Well, this is going to be great for watching football with a cold can or something.
Yeah, okay, in the fridge.
I told you I just walked in, tired, incoherent.
Have you stopped?
I think so.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Wait.
Bye.